Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are showing solved assignment of BBCCT-121. This assignment is valid from 1st January 24 to 31st December 24. These are the questions asked in assignment. Question number 1. Highlight the unique features of Drosophila and Denio as model organisms and their suitability for specific studies. Question number 2. Explain Punnett square method and laws of probability to study applications of Mendel's principles. Question number 3. Describe non-epistatic gene interactions. Question number 4. First part. Differentiate between codominance and incomplete dominance. Second part of this question is give a comparison between recombination and complementation. Question number 5. First part. Differentiate between generalized and specialized transduction. Second part of this question is write a note on conjugation. Second part of this assignment is question number 1. Give an overview of human pedigree analysis for gene mapping. Second question of this part, explain the role of environmental factors of sex determination. Third question is what is endosymbiont theory? Explain. Question number 4, first part, describe numerical chromosomal aberration. Second part of this question is explain genomic imprinting. Question number 5, first part, what are the limitations of pedigree analysis? Second part of this question is describe Hardy-Weinberg law and forces which affect allele frequencies.